Welcome to the audio series for the Triquetre piano programme, Level 1, Musicianship Skills. You can download this worksheet from www.musicacademyhub.com, or you may have received this worksheet from your Triquetre approved tutor. This audio file is for TQP L1 M79A. The ice cream intervals, learning about sound. Each note in the musical scale was given a syllable by a Benedictine monk. His name was Guido d'Arezzo. These syllables became very popular in a song called Do a Dear that was used in a film, The Sound of Music. For this set of worksheets, we will be using the syllables do, re, mi, and fa. We will be using do for C. Re is D. Mi is E. And fa is F. We will be using the intervals of a second, a third, and a fourth. A musical interval is a distance between two notes. We don't always hear the notes in between, but we do count them. So a second is two notes that are next door to one another. Do, re. For a third, we miss out the middle note and we would have do, mi. And for a fourth, we would miss out two notes in the middle, and we would have do to fa. To help us learn these sounds, we can vocalize them or sing them. It doesn't matter how good or bad you think your singing is. What matters is that you try. Find the register on the piano that's best for you. I'm using the register in the middle, which is the fourth register. But you may find that C3 is easiest, or C5. But for this video, we're using C4. So the second, C to D, or do to re. Do, re. Now you try it. How did that go? If you weren't too confident, pause the audio file and try it again. The third is do to mi. Do, mi. Now you try it. And the fourth is do to fa. Do, fa. Now you try it. Keep trying these intervals at different places on your piano till you can sing them confidently and you can achieve the correct pitch. You have reached the end of the audio file to go with Worksheet TQP L1 M79A. Please complete the worksheet and send it to your tutor. If you would like your answers to be verified by a Triquetre approved tutor, please send them to info@Stalybridge Music Academy, marking the subject line with the worksheet number TQP L1 M79A. This is the end of the audio file.